Welcome back. Today we are making a pastry that is called Mallorca Ensaimada. They are pastry from Mallorca, Spain, but now could be even found throughout the world. Let's get started. Let's start with 250 grams of flour, 15 grams of yeast, 3 grams of salt, 55 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 30 ml of sunflower oil. Now add 83 ml of milk. Now keep mixing until your dough is formed. Once the dough is formed, lightly flour your workspace. Keep kneading until a smooth surface is formed. After kneading, put the dough into an oil-out bowl and let it proof for 1 hour or double in size. After proofing, punch down the dough. This will allow you to more successfully knead the dough into the desired shape and help on your second rise. Now divide the dough into half and then into 17 pieces, each weighing roughly about 28 grams. Now shape the dough into a thin rope that is about 30 cm long. Once you have a rope, curl each rope into a spiral. Now brush your dough with melted butter that is in room temperature. After brushing, proof for about 1 hour or double in size. After second proofing, spray some water onto the dough. Now sprinkle some icing sugar. After sprinkling, bake at 190 Celsius for 10 minutes. After baking, sprinkle another round of icing sugar.